Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if recall feature is enabled or disabled in Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for command prompt, and firstly you'll see the application. Now on the right side you'll see here run as administrator. Just click on it. Now the command prompt program will get open. Now you need to type here one command. So I'll be leaving this command in the video description, so you can directly copy and paste it, and after that just hit enter. So now you can see here the state is disabled. That means the recall feature on my respective Windows 11 running computer is being disabled. So in order to enable it, what you need to do is once again just type one command. So I'll be leaving this command again in the video descriptions, and after that just hit enter. So now you can see the operation completed successful. Now let us recheck if it is enabled or not. So once again just copy and paste the first command, and after that just hit enter. You can see here the state is enabled, and so if you want to disable it again, just type one command again. So I'll be leaving this command too in the video description, so you can just copy it and paste it here, and after that just hit enter. Now let us recheck. Once again just copy and paste the first command and hit enter. You can see the state is showing disabled. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out if recall feature is enabled or disabled in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.